And in this segment, we're going to talk about cooking the pasta in the proper pot. Yes, there is a science to it, ladies and gentlemen. In my experiences, I've seen lots of different people cook pasta for any sauce, and they put like all this pasta, they put like a pound of pasta in this little tiny pan, and they push it and they stab it and they squeeze it in there and they try to cook it, and it doesn't cook right. The pasta sticks, it's sticky, half the pasta doesn't cook all the way through, half of it's still raw, some of it's hard, and it doesn't turn out right. So in this segment, we're going to talk about using the right size pot. In this case, we want to use a big giant pot and put a little bit of pasta in there, and that way the pasta will not stick, it'll all cook evenly, and it'll turn out really, really good, which is what we want. And also later on, I will show you what you could add to the sauce so that your pasta will not stick. It'll actually turn out to be pretty good tasting also. So we will talk about that in the next segment.